If you're missing even one document for your Bali company setup, officials reject your application, and here's exactly what you need. Here's the problem. Most founders submit incomplete paperwork and get rejected within 48 hours. Document 1. Passport copy certified by notary, required by Indonesian law. Document 2. Tax identification number, NPWP, obtained within 5 business days. You're setting up a company in Bali. Within 72 hours of submission, the immigration office either approves or rejects your file. A real founder in Ubud submitted his papers without the certified NPWP, got rejected day 1, and lost 3 weeks waiting for resubmission. Missing documents cost you time and money. This is exactly why TheBaliLawyer built the 9-document checklist to prevent rejection. Most people fail here. They assume one government office accepts the same documents as another. BKPM requires different papers than the notary office. The immigration office wants certified translations. Do not submit originals without notary stamps. TheBaliLawyer handles all 3 offices in parallel, cutting weeks off your timeline. Document 3 through 5, company bylaws, shareholder agreement, and bank reference letter. TheBaliLawyer prepares all 3 in Indonesian and English within 3 business days. Each one costs roughly 500,000 rupiah to have drafted by a licensed Indonesian lawyer instead of DIY templates that immigration rejects. This is important. Document 6 is the NPWP approval letter from the tax office. You cannot open a bank account without it. TheBaliLawyer expedites NPWP registration in 5 to 7 days instead of the standard 14 to 21-day wait. It's the difference between banking in week 2 versus week 4. Here's the problem. DIY founders spend 4 to 6 weeks compiling documents alone, submit incomplete files, get rejected, and restart from scratch. TheBaliLawyer manages all 9 documents in parallel across 3 government offices in 10 to 14 days total. You pay once, paperwork flows automatically, 0 rejections. Document 9 is the certificate of good standing from your home country. If you're a U.S. citizen, request it from the FBI or your state's Secretary of State office. If you're from the UK, contact Companies House. If from Australia, ASIC. Get this certified with an apostille before sending to Bali. TheBaliLawyer guides you through the apostille process and files it with BKPM on your behalf. When contacting BKPM, say exactly this. Saya mengajukan permohonan izin usaha untuk PT baru dengan dokumen lengkap sesuai checklist BKPM 2026. This tells them you've reviewed the official checklist and prevents preliminary rejection. 9 documents must be notarized, not just scanned. NPWP takes 5 to 7 days when expedited, 14 to 21 days standard. TheBaliLawyer manages all 3 offices and gets approval in 10 to 14 days. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer.com for your Bali company setup today. Visit https://TheBaliLawyer.com.